Hey guys, welcome to day 11 of Leap to Lead. I hope you guys are still doing awesome. I saw a lot of really awesome participation over the weekend. I wanted to tell you guys a little bit about today how to get people to ask you about your Scentsy business instead of feeling like you're always chasing people down and hunting for the order. Obviously, your best approach is still being super proactive and following up with people and doing the hard work, but it is kind of nice sometimes to have somebody say, "You sell Scentsy, don't you?" Or, "Hey, are you the Scentsy lady?" So it's always really nice to have made a name for yourself or to have been found somewhere due to you being out there, right? Or just like somebody learned about you from something or whatever. So I'm going to give you some ideas how to get people to learn about you from something, ways to get your name out there a little bit, and to get business that you didn't have to fight for. So here's some ideas that I have found useful, and there's plenty more. If you can think of some, feel free to comment below and let us know something that's worked for you, kind of like this. But I just wanted to give you some bullet points that I've written here about ways to get people to say, "Hey, are you the Scentsy lady? Are you the Scentsy guy? Hey, are you my Scentsy person?" Or, "Oh, I found this and it had your name on it and I've been looking for a consultant." So these are how you're going to do that. So one good way is offering room sprays to people. If you are registered for the Scent or Warmer of the Month kit, you get a room spray every month with that. And these are the ones I usually use for activities like this. So you offer room sprays to people. Daycares, leave one in the gym bathroom where you go. Find stinky places, make them less stinky. Put your information on it and leave it places. It's always good when people find you because you're being generous, and it's a tax write-off, so what you give away comes back to you in more ways than one. So finding stinky places and making them less stinky. I love leaving room sprays or hand soaps in bathrooms. Just put your information on it, done. Or put a scent circle on the back of a bathroom stall with your information on it. All kinds of different ways you can do stuff like that. I love to leave things on the back of stall doors, like little goodie bags and things like that. Like, "Look what you found while you were going potty. You had no idea that you would find this." So think of things that you can give away. Scent circles, car bars, samples, things like that. I like doing product just because it's useful, like room sprays and things like that. Always make your car smell amazing is another way. Beyond amazing. Make it stronger than needed sometimes. People love good smelling cars in the drive-thru. Anytime someone approaches your car, make sure it smells awesome. It keeps extras of that scent with you. So say you've got like a vanilla bean buttercream car bar or your Scentsy Go, something really strong and blaring, and somebody's like, "Oh my gosh, your car smells good." Make sure you are loaded with scent circles in that scent, so you can really surprise them and give them something in return. I promise they're going to shop with you. That is the craziest thing anyone's done for them. They're going to be so excited, and they won't be able to wait to tell their friends about it. So make sure you have some scent circles in your favorite scent with you. Whatever your car smells like, have some scent circles. Make sure that you have product lists or things stapled to your scent circle or your label. Just make sure it's ready to help them make the next step and find you. Using your products are the best way to get attention. Keeping samples of the lotion that you use in your purse. So if you're using Scentsy's hand lotion, like put on lotion publicly all the time. Lotion publicly. Anytime you're at a restaurant, anytime you wash your hands, use your lotion where other people can smell it, and always have samples of our lotion in your pocket. So you can buy those body samples on your workstation, and they're already made. You don't have to do any work. Just slap your label on them and pass them out like business cards. So put lotion on publicly. They'll mention the scent. You can hand them a sample, and there goes conversation starters. Wash your clothes and your body with Scentsy. Make sure people can always be smelling what you're selling. Even better if you have your Scentsy clothes and those are washed in Scentsy stuff. So if you're branded with your Scentsy shirt, whoop, and people ask you about it and it smells good too, wham bam. So if you go to nail salons or hair salons, ask them if you can sponsor their hand soap for the month. Ask if you can leave a bottle of soap in their bathroom or the bathroom where people wash their hands when they're done getting their nails done, and or ask if you can put a hand soap in the employee washing information or area, and then ask if you can put your info next to it. Find local businesses who would love to have one of your old warmers. I know a lot of people have old warmers, or we get new ones and you love them, and then you have all these ones in your house you don't need anymore. Go give them to businesses. Make sure that you find some that would love to have your old warmers. I love to sponsor the wax for a month. I change their wax once a week. for a month in exchange for either them keeping the warmer if it's like real old and I don't care, or letting them buy it from me at a discount at the end. And just agree to the terms at the beginning. Let them know you will sponsor the wax for a month, and ask if for that month you can put like a drawing box next to the warmer or your information, things like that. It's a really good place to collect information. So if you put a drawing box or a fish bowl and have people put their business cards in it, it's a really great way to get new leads for new customers. And then at the end of the month, they keep the warmer, and they are now a customer for wax from you. Use your Scentsy pay card when you check out at stores or restaurants so that people ask you about it. People always think I like work for Scentsy when I like pay for with my pay card, which is really fun conversation. Leave scent circles and samples along with a tip at a restaurant. Keyword, along with the tip. Don't be a crazy person. Make sure you tip real good and leave a little gift. Leave old catalogs in magazine racks with rub and sniff stickers in them. So your dentist's office, wherever you get your eyes checked, to the doctor's office, any waiting rooms, anywhere that there's like a seat back that you can throw things in, put some rub and sniff stickers on some of the pages that make sense, and then get your old catalogs out there in those hands. So make sure your information's on them. It doesn't matter if they're old. There's plenty of stuff in there that will carry over to the next catalog. So what your challenge is for this day's work is I want you to grab a room spray, find a stinky place, and donate the room spray. Make sure it's labeled. Sometime with your next order, I want you also to use rewards on a 6-pack of scent circles to keep in your car. Label them, grab a car bar or a room spray or Go Pods in the same scent, and make sure your car always smells amazing. So your goal is to scent your car, which a lot of you have, but I want you to take it to the next step and get a 6-pack of scent circles in the same smell that you have in your car. Make sure it's blaringly scented and awesome, and make sure that you are ready to go with a 6-pack of scent circles so that you can really make someone's day by giving something back to them. But your main thing this week is I want you to get a room spray or 2 or 5 or whatever you want to do, and I want you to comment below with where you left that room spray or any conversations that you had with someone. So any of those ideas where you're giving something away, I would love to hear how that worked out for you. So I want you to comment below with what you're going to do, what you have done, but it's like, don't tell me a story of that one time you did leave a room spray. I want you to get a new one today, tomorrow, find a place to leave it. Bye guys.